Visit the best cleaning company in Chicago. Hello everyone. We would like to invite you to visit our quick cleaning company and see our state-of-the-art facilities located at 3748 West 26th Street, Chicago, Illinois 60623. Our dedicated team is committed to providing top-notch cleaning services. To reach us quickly, we recommend taking the following routes. First, you can locate Cicero Avenue and enter through W26ST to our facilities. Or locate on West Cermak Road and enter through South Pulaski Road and turn left onto W26ST and you will find us. We take pride in delivering exceptional cleaning results and ensuring customer satisfaction. Don't miss out on the chance to see firsthand how quick cleaning can meet your cleaning needs. We look forward to welcoming you to our facilities. Feel free to contact us at 773-800-2524 if you have any questions. See you soon. Visit our website, quickcleanchicago.com.